In the heart of Hyderabad, where the old city whispers meets the new city pulse, a landmark of luxury has stood since 1990, just off Banjara Hills at Mazab Tank. The Golkonda Hotel rises, not just as a place to stay, but as a custodian of a royal legacy. For decades, it has been discerning traveler's choice, a prominent business hotel where Nizam era hospitality isn't just a memory but a living, breathing practice here. Modern amenities are draped in timeless grace. And within this sanctuary of comfort lies a crown jewel, an establishment that doesn't just serve food but curates history and welcome to the jewel of Nizam. The name is a promise, every detail delivers. The ambience is nothing short of exquisite, a masterful recreation of royal Darbar, where the air itself feels steeped in elegance. You aren't just entering a restaurant, you are steeping into a bygone era of splendor. Here, the menu is a map of culinary history, featuring hand-picked recipes from the opulent kitchen of the Nizams. Each dish is carefully preserved artifact, from the fragrant dum ki biryani to the kebabs that melt on the tongue, curries unparalleled depth. This is not merely a food review. To dine at a jewel of Nizam's is an experience itself in Hyderabad. The warmth of its people, the richness of its history, and the soul of its culture, all presented on a platter. Join us as we embark on an experience to remember, an experience to fit for royalty. Hello or Namaskar, मैं हूँ Rahul from Culinary Cult, and today we are walking into an old hotel which has been in Hyderabad for the last 30 years and has a very exclusive restaurant called the Jewels of Nizam. And we are here to try the cuisine and experience the beautiful ambience. So please follow me while I take you through an experience. Come with me. नमस्कार
नमस्ते सर।
कैसे हो नमस्ते मैम गुड आफ्टरनून Good afternoon, chef.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Golkonda Hotel.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. I'm Rahul, chef.
So it's our specialty restaurant. It's called Hyderabadi cuisine basically. We have Mughlai and Hyderabadi cuisine.
Okay.
In this restaurant, we are famous for food, especially non-veg. We have Pathar ka Gosht and we have Haleem in all 365 days. Yes, this is for nowhere we can get in Hyderabad.
Okay.
This is our signature dish.
Okay.
We
So
can-
hope you're serving that to me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So where are you going to place me to have
Sir,
a
we'll sit here.
dinner? Sure. Right here, right?
So we'll send, sir.
Sure.
Okay,
Along
thank
with
you
food, I will
very
come.
much, chef.
Right,
Thank
sir,
you
thank
very
you.
much.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sanya this side.
Hi, Sanya. How
These
are
are the
you?
two menus that we serve, sir. This is the
Okay.
thali menu and this is the a la carte menu. The
Okay.
thali is the Dawati Nizam thali, which is set course menu, chef's
Okay.
choice.
Okay.
These are the three options that we have in the thali.
Okay.
This one is the non-vegetarian thali, including prawns.
Okay.
This is the non-vegetarian, which don't have the prawns, and this is the veg thali. And here are all the items that I mentioned.
Okay. The Nizam used to eat vegetarian also.
Yeah, we do serve veg.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Sure. Shall I serve you some water?
Sure. Thank you. I'll have a look at them. Thank you. This is the menu. Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is mint chutney, sir.
Hello. Thank you.
This one is a tandoori roasted papad, sir.
Okay.
This one. Garlic naan, sir.
Garlic naan. Okay.
Green
Green
salad.
salad.
Gosht kali meat, sir.
Sorry?
This is a gosht kali meat.
Gosht kali.
Sir. Sweetness, the Haleem, sir.
Okay.
Lamb meat. This is a cinnamon bread.
Cinnamon bread.
Cinnamon bread, sir.
What's cinnamon bread?
So it's like one type bread is with the Haleem, sir.
Okay.
This is a fry onion meat, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Raita.
Raita.
This is a mirchi ka salam, sir.
Okay.
And biryani, sir. This is lamb biryani.
Okay.
Lamb biryani, sir.
Yeah. धीरे जाओ. The meat is very succulent, very flavorful, strong on saffron, and the basic garam masala I get it in, and very mildly flavored and beautifully blended. Fantastic biryani. One of the best in Hyderabad for sure. Wow. Very delicious. The mutton is very succulent, very well marinated, with a strong hint of saffron in the whole dish, and the mild touch of the basic garam masala infused with ghee. Delicious. Yeah, thank you. Let me put some ghee onto it. So Haleem is known for adding a little ghee, and then the garnish with crispy fried onions, a lime, a twist of lime, and the crispy fried onions. Classic Haleem. No compromise. Let me squeeze a little bit of lime in it. This is exactly how a Haleem has to be. Proper pouring consistency. Delicious.
This is और पत्थर का गोश्त
हाँ.
और सिग्नेचर डिश
Okay. Thank you.
पत्थर का गोश्त this is mint chutney
Mint
sir.
chutney. Okay. So it's time to try the famous Hyderabad Pathar ka Gosht, which is known to be cooked only on a stone griddle. So let's try. So you cook it in a stone griller, right? Let's try it. Yeah, I don't know how, but they're able to keep even the pathar. Normally, when I eat pathar ka gosht outside, it's pretty tough, but here they're able to keep it very soft and succulent, in spite of it cooked in a stone griller. Wow, that's nice. This is very succulent. It looks like they've marinated it for hours together to get that texture. Extremely nice. Extremely nice. Delicious. I'll have this all day long. Loving it.
This one is aloo ki kheer sir.
Okay.
Signature dish.
Okay.
Made by is a white onion sir.
Fantastic.
With milk, sir.
Made of white onion.
White onion with milk.
Acha, with milk. So we're going to try the Anoki kheer, which is made of milk and white onions. And this is the first time I'm trying something like this. And they say that it's not available anywhere else in Hyderabad. So let's give it a go. Yeah. Nice thickened condensed milk with, say, the nuts. And I'm not joking, the white onion feels so mellow in it. I expected to get a very sharp taste of the onions, but no. Yeah, that's nice. Wow, something different. Surprisingly different. Cheers.
Sir, toast kali meat sir.
Okay,
With garlic naan.
okay.
Green salads.
So Gosht Kali Mirch with garlic naan.
Garlic naan, sir. Toast kali meat sir.
Thank you. Lot of Rogan in it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Garlic naan sir.
Thank you. Let's try the gravy before we start anything else. Yes, they have done it in such a way that as you eat it, you get the pepper coming out slowly with hints of ginger, a masala which has been added to it, and a nice strong zest of gosht. And now mutton is something I love. So let me try this out. Yeah, soft, succulent, looks like that. Give it a shot. Delicious. Now let me go with the roti. Wonderfully succulent. The nice thing is you get the pepper aftertone slowly at the back. But definitely, I don't know how they've done it. They've been able to pull it right at the end so that you know that you're eating something which is put of Kali Mirch. Yeah, definitely. Yes, it is a speciality. And like Chef Venkat told me, he's going to serve whatever they are very well known for. Very satisfied, very happy to have an experience which is so royal. Finally, I had a wonderful experience. Fantastic food, fantastic ambience, beautiful place, a must visit. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next week for another one. Till then, stay healthy, eat well. See you.